Hi there, welcome to Beacon House Capstone Program, Cohort 1 Showcase, where we're going to talk to you about our thought process in terms of how we've designed the capstone and what did students learn. We've followed the AI first principles plus systems design as the foundational concepts throughout the capstone program. Reason being, students will architect solutions instead of learning how to write code in the first place. Now, because they understand systems design and basics of software engineering, software development, the focus then shifts from thinking solutions as opposed to understanding syntax. The world, as we know, is also moving from traditional coding to AI native development, and this also follows a similar trend. So they've been using prompt-based tools, and they've shipped real products. They've also gained skills that define the next generation of builders that are yet to come. So the entire capstone journey has been divided into about 10 weeks, aggregating around 5 phases, 40 hours from student side. Outcome being they've built real products. This is how it's broadly structured into. Phase 1 is about market research. Phase 2 is prompt design. Phase 3, basic MVP development. This is where the crux of the program lies in. And phases 4 and 5 is all about beta launch, documentation, and all of that. They first start with understanding the target audience, the competition, what are the pain points of their target audience, and what are their desired outcomes, etc. Basically, it's a research-backed problem definition is the output of phase 1. Phase 2, they then move on to understanding what are basic product-based approaches to defining solutions and building their apps. So they're going to think like a product manager and start writing the PRDs and basic user acquisition strategies, and also learn how to work with AI for the next few phases. Then phase 3 is where they use prompt-based tools such as Bolt.new, which is a front-end code development tool, and Superbase, which is a Postgres-based backend as a service product. The output of this stage is a functional MVP, which is ready to onboard test users and start deploying out there for onboarding real users. Giving you a quick outlook of what these products are. The first project is Paw Connect, built by Arav and Advik. This is a platform where it connects donors directly with shelters for targeted and transparent donations. All the video demos of these projects will be shared right after. The next project is Pitch Arena, where it's an entrepreneurship completion platform where the basic idea here is a student entrepreneur can post and publish their ideas. As and when they do that, AI generates feedback about those ideas, giving the strong points, weak points, and other aspects. And on the same platform, reviewers and other folks can also join in and provide their feedback, whether they like it or they don't like it. Next up is Community Connect, where again, it connects NGOs and volunteers for mutual servicing and discoveries. NGOs have a perpetual need for finding volunteers who could help them with their day-to-day tasks, and volunteers also want to work with NGOs either for experience or for the sake of contributing back to the society, etc. In this platform, you could register as an NGO or as a volunteer, and then take further tasks, and you can apply to a certain NGO. You could do a lot of things out there. Lastly, this is Stock Market Simulator built by Faraz. Now this is the target audience here is students who would like to understand stock market, the fluctuations and how it works. So the way this works is it starts off every student when they log in, they get digital cash of 1 lakh, which they can invest in real-time stocks. There are pre-existing stocks which are out there in which and the stocks will fluctuate based on current market dynamics, and the last 40-50 years worth of data is also added out there. So as a result, students can learn realistically on how these stocks function. They can invest, they can put in because it's digital money again, they can put in money and they can understand how these fluctuations happen real time. These are the critical videos throughout the journey. They're all uploaded to YouTube and will be shared with all of you on as these links. These links will also be shared separately. So we've done with cohort 1. We're ready for cohort 2 next. Thank you.